How to use the 1099-C cancellation of debt process to eliminate credit card debt. Key points. 1. Credit card debt crisis. Credit card debt is a significant issue in the U.S., with many consumers carrying $8,000 to $30,000 in debt. The pressure of credit card debt can be overwhelming, affecting both financial stability and mental well-being. 2. The solution, 1099-C cancellation of debt. A legitimate strategy to eliminate credit card debt is by obtaining a 1099-C form, which cancels the debt on your behalf. This form is issued by the creditor and can result in the cancellation of your debt, effectively making it disappear, but the process requires effort and strategy. 3. The process of getting a 1099-C. Step 1. Contact the hardship department. Every credit card company has a hardship department. It's essential to approach them before the debt is charged off to discuss your financial difficulties. Step 2. Financial audit. Before agreeing to any offers, perform a complete financial audit to understand your true financial situation. This helps you avoid agreeing to offers you cannot afford. Step 3. Hardship letter. Craft a detailed hardship letter explaining your financial struggles. The letter should be factual and avoid emotional or sob stories. It should outline your inability to pay the debt and include supporting documentation if available. Step 4. Submit the letter and documentation. Once the hardship letter is ready, submit it to the creditor and wait for their decision. If successful, the creditor may issue the 1099-C form, canceling your debt. 4. Risks and considerations. Job and property risks. Be mindful of the potential consequences, such as the risk of liens on your property if debt is refinanced with a consolidation loan. Creditors can also contact your employer in efforts to collect. Tax implications. The IRS will treat canceled debt as taxable income. However, a waiver form can be used to avoid paying taxes on the canceled debt, provided you qualify under insolvency or bankruptcy conditions. 5. Taking responsibility. Ultimately, you are responsible for your financial situation. While help can be offered, it's up to you to take the necessary steps and follow through with the process. 6. Final thoughts. This approach is not widely discussed but can be a life-changing solution for many struggling with credit card debt. The process requires preparation, persistence, and understanding of the steps involved. For those looking for credit help, the video encourages visiting the website for tools and further information on debt management and credit repair.